Nuclear fusion, how the sun creates energy. Have you ever wondered how the sun shines non-stop, day after day, year after year for billions of years, without burning fuel the way fire does? The answer lies deep inside the sun's core in a process so powerful and so fundamental that it literally makes life on Earth possible. This process is called nuclear fusion, and it is one of the most fascinating phenomena in the universe. At its heart, the sun is not a ball of fire. Fire needs oxygen, but space has none. Instead, the sun is a gigantic natural nuclear reactor powered by fusion. In the sun's core, temperatures reach about 15 million degrees Celsius, and the pressure is unimaginably intense. Under these extreme conditions, ordinary rules of matter change. Atoms are crushed so tightly that their nuclei are forced together. The sun is made mostly of hydrogen, the simplest element in the universe. Each hydrogen atom has just one proton in its nucleus. Normally, protons repel each other because they carry positive electric charge. But inside the sun, the combination of extreme heat and gravity gives protons so much energy that they overcome this repulsion and collide. When 4 hydrogen nuclei fuse together, they form one helium nucleus. This process does not happen all at once. It occurs through a sequence of steps called the proton-proton chain reaction. During these steps, something extraordinary happens. A tiny bit of mass disappears. That missing mass is not lost. It is converted directly into energy according to Einstein's famous equation E = mc2. Even a very small amount of mass produces an enormous amount of energy. This released energy begins as gamma radiation in the sun's core, but it doesn't escape instantly. In fact, it can take hundreds of thousands of years for this energy to slowly move outward, bouncing from particle to particle. By the time it reaches the surface, it is transformed into visible light and heat, the sunlight that warms your skin, grows plants, powers weather, and supports every ecosystem on Earth. Every second, the sun converts about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. Out of that, roughly 4 million tons of mass are turned directly into energy every single second. That sounds extreme, and it is, but the sun is so massive that it can keep doing this for about 10 billion years. We are currently only about halfway through its life. What makes nuclear fusion even more amazing is its balance. Gravity pulls the sun inward, trying to make it collapse, while the energy produced by fusion pushes outward. These two forces perfectly balance each other. This balance keeps the sun stable. If fusion slowed down, gravity would compress the sun, increasing temperature and pressure until fusion sped up again. If fusion became too strong, the sun would expand and cool, slowing the reaction. Nature maintains perfect control. Scientists are deeply interested in nuclear fusion because it represents a clean, nearly limitless source of energy. Unlike nuclear fission used in today's nuclear power plants, fusion produces no long-lived radioactive waste and cannot cause runaway meltdowns. On Earth, however, recreating the sun's conditions is extremely difficult. We need temperatures hotter than the sun's core and advanced magnetic systems to control the reaction. Even so, fusion research continues because mastering it could change humanity's future forever. Understanding how the sun creates energy also helps us understand stars, galaxies, and the origin of elements. The atoms in your body, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, were formed in stars through nuclear processes. In a very real sense, we are made of stardust powered by ancient fusion reactions that occurred long before Earth existed. So the next time you see sunlight streaming through a window or feel its warmth on your face, remember this: that light began as hydrogen atoms fusing together deep inside the sun. A tiny loss of mass became a vast ocean of energy traveling across space to sustain life on our planet. Nuclear fusion is not just a scientific concept, it is the reason we are here. If you enjoyed this simple and mind-blowing explanation of how the sun creates energy, like, share, and subscribe for more science stories that turn everyday wonders into unforgettable discoveries.